Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the stunning Farmhouse End Table with charging station, a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern functionality. This versatile piece features exquisite barn-style high-definition glass doors, complemented by matte metal decorations, making it a visually appealing addition to any living room, bedroom, or home office. With a spacious 24-inch square tabletop equipped with 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, you can easily power multiple devices, eliminating the clutter of tangled cables. The adjustable storage shelf inside allows you to customize the space for books, blankets, or coffee cups, making it not just a table but a practical art piece. Crafted from high-quality wooden boards, this end table boasts a stable structural design, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Assembly is a breeze with included tools, clear instructions, and labeled parts, all packed securely to arrive in perfect condition. Experience the perfect fusion of farmhouse style and modern convenience with this exceptional end table, designed to enhance both your home's aesthetics and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.